Hello, welcome to the 15th week of Advanced Design Communication. This unit's main goal is framing the multidisciplinary nature of contemporary design communication. With that said, and considering design is one of the technical and professional areas necessary to develop business, it's crucial to understand the type of information necessary to a proper project development, be it individual or cooperative. The purpose of the structure and methodology presented throughout the unit will be this week's theme to sum and synthesize the subject so that two large goals are met: understanding the connection between every element and theme which have made up the subject, help you prepare your entry into the job market and reposition yourself as a design professional. This subject is split into three different yet correlated phases. Stage 1 – Design Framing. Stage 2 – Contextualization of business strategy and modeling. Stage 3 – Design intervention in marketing areas and respective business model communication strategies. For Stage 1, meaning for the first 4 lessons, we framed design as a subject, culture, business and profession. The intent was demonstrating design amplitude and stress its multidisciplinarity. In Stage 2, Lessons 5 to 9, we've systematized the several components which involve a business model and are vital for design as the framing of a project's conceptual component. The more information there is in the beginning, the more likely the design project will be successful. We've chosen the Business Model Canvas tool due to its organization simplicity of different elements which contextualize the complexity involving the build-up of a business strategy. The Business Model Canvas is comprised of 9 areas, with no hierarchy or fixed or normal priority order. These areas are interrelated and the choices resulting from the strategy in hand. The importance in knowing these issues surrounding the subject management allows the design project framing, be it an entrepreneurial or action circumstance as a professional design technician, increasing the ability to communicate and understand the remaining business departments. All the subsequent tools which have made up the unit's Stage 3, in which we mention contexts such as the marketing mix and, in particular, the promotion element, concepts surrounding the brand strategy and the understanding of the briefing concept in an exercise context, as well as the communication plan build-up, are relevant for a design professional as they will allow a more realistic framing of your project and decisions. Being aware of these strategic tools and their central structure aims to stress the interdependence with the design professional's action, allowing you to measure the success of your design project. In conclusion, we've addressed the fundamental point in any project, the ultimate moment of truth, pitching. In fact, any idea or project in any area will only succeed if it's understood by the target audience, from the investor to the final consumer. Knowing how to present a project is crucial so that the conceptual effort and time put into it can bring the desired return. Using this information cleverly and trying to collaborate with the remaining department areas will allow you to contextualize your creativity and technical skills. Adapt yourself, be daring and create. At the end, a design professional's success depends on their ability to adapt to a vastness we can merge into one concept: global society.
In beide Positionen, vielleicht richtig vorgestellt für die Liebe, wenn ich ehrlich bin. Ein ganz tolles Gespräch.
Nobody tells people who are beginners, and I really wish somebody had told this to me, is that all of us who do creative work, like, we get into it, and we get into it because we have good taste. But it's like there's a gap. That for the first couple of years that you're making stuff, what you're making isn't so good, okay? It's not that great. It's trying to be good. It has ambition to be good, but it's not quite that good. But your taste, the thing that got you into the game, your taste is still killer. And your taste is good enough that you can tell that what you're making is kind of a disappointment to you. You know what I mean? A lot of people never get past that phase. A lot of people at that point, they quit. And the thing I would just say to you with all my heart is that most everybody I know who does interesting creative work, they went through a phase of years where they had really good taste, they could tell what they were making wasn't as good as they wanted it to be. They knew it felt short. It didn't have this special thing that we wanted it to have. And the thing I would say to you is everybody goes through that. And for you to go through it, if you're going through it right now, if you're just getting out of that phase, you got to know it's totally normal. And the most important possible thing you could do is do a lot of work. Do a huge volume of work. Put yourself on a deadline so that every week or every month you know you're going to finish one story. Because it's only by actually going through a volume of work that you're actually going to catch up and close that gap. And the work you're making will be as good as your ambitions. It takes a while. It's going to take you a while. It's normal to take a while, and you just have to fight your way through that. Okay?
Das eines Vorarbeiters vorstellen. Er kann spielen in beider Position und vielleicht in einem Stil. So, he will know. So richtig torgefährlich bin ich nicht, wenn ich ehrlich bin. Also